Hi there, students. Reconnaissance. Um, okay, a reconnaissance, I think more commonly it's uncountable, but it could be countable as well. So reconnaissance is the inspection, the exploration of an area to gather information, but particularly in a military context. Yeah, so you could have a reconnaissance satellite, a satellite that collects military data. Yeah, a reconnaissance aircraft. Yeah, an aircraft designed to look at the enemy forces, look at enemy facilities. A reconnaissance vehicle. Yeah, a vehicle used to find the positions of the enemy. So reconnaissance, military operation of a region to locate the enemy, to find out the strategic features. Yeah, so it's a preliminary survey, it's preliminary research. Yeah, it doesn't have to be military. You can use it in other things. It's talking about exploration, survey, investigation. Yeah. Okay, so maybe before you start a project, maybe you do a little bit of reconnaissance. Yeah, you find out what the situation is like. Yeah, maybe you want to open a pub in an area, but first you ought to do some reconnaissance and see what else is already there. So it's the process of obtaining the information about activities, resources, etc. It's a preliminary inspection of an area of land. Yeah, before you actually do anything, it's just checking it out to get preliminary information and see if you should go further or not. Yeah, in surveying, in civil engineering, this is just examining a region before doing a detailed survey of an area. Let's see. Notice in British English you can say recce. So let's go have a recce, and the Americans say let's go do some recon. But both of these are short for reconnaissance. Yeah, aerial reconnaissance is very good to show the enemy positions. Yeah, they're always we're always getting satellite reconnaissance and aerial reconnaissance pictures of different things. I think this thing recently about the various balloons high up in the atmosphere that the Americans shot down. I think these are probably were just for reconnaissance to see what there was, to gain information, to gain as much information as possible. So reconnaissance, inspection, survey, investigation, patrol, exploration, scouting. Scouting's a good word. Yeah, a recce, to reconnoiter as a verb as well. Yeah. Okay, so binoculars are a very good thing for reconnaissance. You can see where things are. Okay, so reconnaissance, formality. I think I'm going to give it a 6, but I would say use anywhere. I think you could use it informally and very formally, so an easy word. And then as to origin, well, it definitely comes from French, from the verb reconnaître, to recognize, yeah? To recognize something. That itself probably comes back from medieval Latin, recognoscienta, yeah, to know something, recognoscens, okay, so effectively recognizing things, identifying them. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. goodbye for now. Reconnaissance.